Welcome to this brief overview of how to write a winning grant funding application. If following this presentation you'd like to know more, like to see the longer version, Your Guide to a Winning Bid, it's available on the Airvast e-learning platform. You can also contact us for more information, and that's at the end of the presentation. So start by asking yourself, is your group fit for funding? If you can read through this list and know that everything is already in place and is up to date, then the answer is yes. If not, there are lots of resources and template documents to help get you fit for funding in both our policy toolkit and our funding toolkit, which you'll find on our website. The most important tool in successfully applying for grant funding is to have a compelling case for support. Develop this for the project before you start to apply for funding, as then you'll see which funders will be interested in your work. The case for support should be written for your organisation or project, not for each funder. Start with this, then look for funders who fit to the project. This will prevent you from wasting your time chasing funding or funders that are less likely to support you. The most important elements here are to use research, evidence and past experience to build a story of how the funding will make a real difference to real people's lives. You need to evidence the need for the project, demonstrate the difference the funding will make, clearly define who will benefit and how you will measure the outcomes. You need to demonstrate your track record through quotes, testimonials and case studies, proving why the funder should give you the money to do this work. What added value do you bring? For example, collaborative working with other groups, involving service users in the design and delivery of the project. And of course, you need a realistic budget, which forms part of your business plan and fundraising strategy. All of this should be led by your governing document, which should outline exactly who you are and what you aim to do. Once your case for support is written, you can then find funders who share your values and want to fund your work. So whilst every funder is different and every application for funding will be unique, there are some simple rules to follow, and the key rules are listed here for you. If you then need help to find funding, or you need a critical friend to help with your application, check out our funding toolkit for a raft of resources. You'll also find a really handy template document that will allow you to start to build your case for support, which is called Your Case for Financial Support. If you still need more information or more support, please do feel free to get in touch with us here at Airvast.